Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to see how some basic tools in Photopea, so it's a little bit fast. So this is a lock layer, so we can unlock it by just simply clicking on it. So when you unlock it, you can move the whole canvas, and if you move the canvas for the first time, then it will be hard to make it perfect again. So just always lock this layer, never unlock it. Okay, so after unlocking, you cannot use that tool again. So in this tool, we can also just, you can see you want to select these two, so you have to drag, and then both tools will be selected, and when you will delete it, it will be both deleted. So the next right tool is the selecting tool. This is for those people who likes to keep your body and my face, like those type of pro editings everybody do. And if your image does not even need the rectangle or the ellipse tool, then you can select the lasso tool. Then you can do everything goodly. Like, it's best for selecting and just not bad. It's also a very beautiful thing for taking one picture to another picture, you can see. But if you don't put the point in that point where you start the point, then it can not just simply stop making lines or anything else. So that's why some people don't use this thing. It's just useless and it's just hard for it to use. But no, actually it is really good. Then another one is right click, and then you'll see the magnetic lasso tool. So think your hand is here. Now you want to select it by magnetically. Then you can select it easily. And you can see how amazing. Just select it. The next one is magic wand tool. I think you guys know about magic wand if you see the video that is how to separate colors. The main part of magic wand is that video, so watch the video right now. So if you think you draw a new layer, and now you can see the layer is not editable. That means you can't edit it right now. What you have to do is take a little bit time to understand it. What you have to do is go to background and then select it, then change the colors as you want, then everything will be changed. But if you go to shape number 1 and then if you do, it still will not happen. In this part, it's not happening because of it made a mistake. So you can see if you select it and change the color will be changed. Watch the tutorial of how to separate color. You'll understand every small thing about magic wand. So Ctrl Z to undo, or you can go to edit and just undo or redo it. So this is the crop tool. If you crop it, and then you can see a right click option. If you press on it, the image will be cropped, so you can also undo it. Then this is the eyedropper tool. It's the best tool for people's. I think people already know about this tool. This tool is really a common tool. Every type of editor does have this. Okay, if you right click and just press on gradient tool, then the paint bucket tool will come. So you cannot pour the color in the background because the layer is not editable. So what you have to do is open a new layer and then just pour it up, then it will be poured. So for that, you can see a lot of people just right click and choose the paint bucket, and after that they use the paint bucket. So now you think you don't want that reddish color, you just want that black color, then go to your eyedropper tool and then go to your paint bucket and then put it. You can see how amazing this is. So this is the way of using the eyedropper tool. So let's undo it. Control Z, the easy way to remove it. Okay, and Control Shift Z means to redo. Okay, so the next tool is important. So I open an image and show that how to use that tool is. I'm not that much beautiful, but think I got this logo design PNG. So I want to heal it. So you can see if you heal it like that, this is not this image. If you go to the color separate video, then you will see the healing about to. I show that the healing, it can heal a part easily, but it will depend how much big part you choose. If you choose a lot of big part, then it is like take most times to do it, and if you choose just a simple part, then it's not too much time to do it. Okay, so healing tool is not so much popular on Photopea. This is just a website, and as a website, Photopea has so much things that Photoshop or Illustrator can't give. Okay, then the next tool is the brush tool. Okay, open a new layer and do that. You can see the brush tool is super smooth and super amazing. You can get more brushes from there, and you know what, this is so much amazing. Okay, then and you can choose a color easily. Extremely sorry for the sounds coming from
you
can see. Okay, the next tool is clone tool. We have to select clone source by pressing Alt or K and click on the image. So we don't have an image right there, so we're going to open an image and then use the clone tool. Clone tool is the most amazing, that amazed me a lot. I was like, oh my god, how do people just, it was amazing, adorable. So just see the work of this clone tool. You can see at the first nothing will happen, but you can see it's erasing, and now if you take it down, then it will erase, and if you put it up, then it will make or restore. And that's the super awesome thing on clone tool. Again, extremely sorry for the sounds that are coming from background, and if you like the video, then like, share, subscribe. Okay, now the layer is locked, that's why you cannot remove. The eraser tool is really good. How to separate colors in that video, you can see the tools works about eraser, then magic wand, and also about the healing tool. Then I'm going to put the color like the paint bucket. I already showed the paint bucket. So the blur tool. A lot of people think that Photopea's blur tool is really amazing, but no, actually the blur tool did not work properly on Photopea because of, you know what, it's not explainable. you can see it's not blurring, it's just being normal as it was. So you can stop using the blur tool on Photopea because it's not works. So then is the dodge tool. I feel like dodge tool is amazing too. So I open a new image and see the dodge tool. So it makes the image lighter. I don't know why do people use that. It's like an erasing the whole thing up. So I don't care about it. Then is the type tool. I didn't see that much bad quality type tool because if you make it like bigger, then it's just simply destroy the whole smoothness of the text. And I actually don't like the quality of Photopea texts. It's like a really cheap quality, and I don't have enough fonts, and the fonts are not so much beautiful. Okay, then the pen tool. Pen tool is everybody's favorite, and we use pen tool for every work, simple work. You can see how easily we can edit the stroke colors, the fill colors on Photopea. I don't use the pen, I use the free pen. Then what do I draw will came. But in pen, if you're really master at pen, then you can use it, and also the free pen. So it's really easy. You can do it with your tab or your PC or anything else easily. So now you think the square is really easy for you guys to use. Then we have the custom shapes. If you click in this right corner, you can see there's thousands of shapes. I like this shape. And the other tools are not too much important. So you think it's not changing, the color is not changing because of these shapes has their own controller. So if you do it with Photopea color, then it will be not. Go to its own controller and then edit. Thanks for watching. Bye.